You are welcome to PM Khalilur Rahman channel. Assalamu alaikum. There is a condolence message in English about the passing away of Maulana Qari Yevi Saqib Ali Rafiqi Mazahiri Sahib, teacher at Madrasa Darul Uloom Ambur. I read it. Please listen to it. Wanyanbadi Death News, 25th May 2025, Sunday. It is with deep sorrow and disbelief that we share the heartbreaking news of the sudden passing away of Janab Maulana Qari Yevi Saqib Ali Rafiqi Mazahiri Sahib, teacher at Madrasa Darul Uloom Ambur. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Son of Janab Yevi Shakil Sahib, son-in-law of Janab Babu Shafiq Ahmad Sahib, brother of Hazrat Maulana Mufti Muhammad Salahuddin Sahib Qasimi, Damat Barakatuh, Imam Khatib Jamia Masjid Ambur. Janaza at Anjuman Mayyat Khana Wanyanbadi. Inshallah, Namaz Janaza today after Asr Salah at Masjid Khadim Muslimpur Wanyanbadi. The respected deceased was known for gentle nature, smiling face and humble character. He got married just 2 weeks ago, but sadly he passed away this morning due to a heart attack while on his way to the madrasa. May Allah envelop him in his mercy, grant him the highest ranks in Jannah and give patience and strength to his family. Amin.